Vegetables. Vegetables contain fiber and keep our skin, teeth, and eyes healthy. Vegetables strengthen our bones and boost our immunity. Potatoes are the most commonly used vegetables and are brown in color. Tomatoes are red in color and juicy. Cauliflowers are white and green in color. Brinjals are purple, long and seedy. Carrots have a sweet taste and are orange or red in color. Radishes are white vegetable with a slightly spicy flavor. Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is green in color and is full of seeds. Cabbage is a green and leafy vegetable. Capsicums are available in many colors like green, yellow and red. Spinach is a green leafy vegetable which grows in fields. Vegetables and herbs like mint, lemon, chili, ginger, garlic and coriander leaves are used and eaten especially to add flavor to the food.
A pumpkin is a big round fruit that is orange and grows on vines. Broccoli is a green vegetable that looks like tiny trees and is very healthy to eat. An onion is a vegetable with layers that can be white, red or yellow. It adds flavor to food and can make your eyes water when cut. Lettuce is a green leafy vegetable that is crunchy and often used in salads.